Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority, EPRA, on Tuesday 14th, January, has increased the price of superpetrol, kerosene, and diesel in latest fuel review. The regulator noted that the maximum allowed prices for super, diesel, and kerosene increased by 0.29 per liter, 2.0 per liter, and 3.0 per liter, respectively. This means prices of super T, diesel and kerosene will now retail at $176.58, diesel $167.07, and kerosene at $151.39, respectively. This is inclusive 16% value-added tax, VAX. How does this affect e-commerce, supply chain, and logistics in Kenya? Increased transportation. Fuel costs directly affect the cost of transporting goods by road, which is the primary mode of transport in Kenya. Logistics providers pass these increased costs to businesses and customers. Reduced efficiency. Higher costs may lead businesses to consolidate shipments to save on fuel, causing delays in delivery times. Smaller logistics providers may struggle to stay competitive. Limited coverage. Some areas, especially rural regions, may experience reduced delivery services due to the high cost of reaching remote locations. Rising costs of goods. Increased transportation costs ripple across the supply chain, leading to higher prices for raw materials and finished goods. This affects both manufacturers and retailers, especially small and medium enterprises, SMEs. Supply chain. Disruptions. Businesses might delay or reduce inventory restocking to save on transportation costs, potentially causing stockouts. Dependence on imports becomes costlier, affecting industries reliant on imported raw materials. Shift to local sourcing. To mitigate high transport costs, businesses may turn to local suppliers, boosting domestic supply chains. Higher delivery costs. Online retailers have to increase delivery fees, which may discourage customers from ordering online. Free or discounted delivery options become less viable. Reduced profit margins. E-commerce businesses operating on thin margins struggle as shipping costs rise. Small businesses may find it harder to compete with larger players that can absorb the costs. Customer behavior changes. Customers may shift from online shopping to buying locally to avoid delivery fees. Demand for bulky or low-value items that cost more to ship declines. Adoption of cost-effective solutions. Businesses may adopt technology to optimize routes, consolidate shipments, and reduce inefficiencies. Partnerships with local logistics companies for last-mile delivery can help cut costs. Long-term effects. Innovation and adaptation. Rise in demand for electric vehicles, EVs, and alternative fuels to reduce reliance on costly diesel and petrol. Increased investment in warehousing and inventory management systems to minimize transportation needs. Pressure on small businesses may find it harder to survive as they can't absorb the higher costs, leading to consolidation or closure. Government interventions. Policies to subsidize fuel costs, encourage renewable energy, or improve transport infrastructure may emerge to ease the burden. Examples in Kenya. Jumia and other e-commerce platforms. Likely to increase delivery fees or incentivize customers to pick up orders from collection points. Logistics companies. Firms like Fargo Courier and Wells Fargo may need to optimize operations or raise prices. Agri-supply chains. Farmers face higher costs to transport produce to markets, affecting food prices. Thank you for watching.